Welcome to Southeast Ohio Solar Haven again. She's up. That's 3 black beauties sitting there on the wall. Got her connected for wind. Hoping, it's not the neatest thing in the world. My input wires kind of skipped past this. Got my jack coming off my rectifier straight in. Right now there's no braking on it. Truth be known, it probably don't need any braking. It just needs a good charge controller to be able to feed through it. And I got her up, and today, solar 4 kilowatt, kilowatt, whatever. 4 kilowatts on that one, 1.9. Of course, 0 on this one because we just got this one finished up and installed. And nice Wind Pow, Wind Power. We got her named. So hopefully we're supposed to have some little windy conditions here in the next few days, and I'll be able to see how it will perform for me, and hopefully it'll do the job. And that's about all I got done this afternoon. I was up late watching my college football games. Go Ohio State once again. I know y'all got some haters out there, but that's alright. It's just football in my book. But I'm a Ohio State Buckeye fan, so living in Ohio, that's going to be natural. But anyway, yeah, that's the short update for the day. I don't want to keep anybody too long on this Sunday night if they're watching it. So guess we'll just have to wait for winds to see what she's going to do. So have a sunny and windy power day in your near futures, and I'm out of here.